In the quiet twilight hours, while the world slumbers, a league of extraordinary individuals is rising to greet the dawn. These aren't superheroes from comic books or characters from fables. Rather, these are everyday champions whose secret power is unveiled by a meticulously crafted morning routine. This ritual, a cornerstone in the lives of countless successful individuals, acts almost like an alchemy that transforms ordinary hours into gold. It's not just about waking up early. It's about taking charge, setting the tone, and conquering the day before others have even hit the snooze button. By embracing this champion's morning ritual, individuals set themselves on a path not just of productivity, but of profound personal fulfillment and professional success. In this essay, we will explore how adopting such a mindset and routine can significantly influence one's life trajectory, turning potential into achievement and dreams into realities. The first light of dawn brings with it a unique psychological advantage, what psychologists might call the fresh start effect. This psychological phenomenon helps to clear our mental slate, presenting an opportunity to establish new behaviors without the baggage of the previous day's failures or distractions. A morning routine fortified with purposeful activities such as meditation, exercise, and strategic planning sets a positive cognitive pattern, priming the brain for achievement and resilience. When you begin your day intentionally, you gain clarity and purpose, which infiltrates every decision you make thereafter. This preparation doesn't just prepare one for the tasks ahead, but imbues them with the confidence to tackle challenges head-on. Famed authors and entrepreneurs often speak about this magical time as their hour of power, an uninterrupted period where their highest priorities are crystal clear and their energies undiluted. This not only enhances productivity, but also instills a sense of peace and control, which is crucial in our fast-paced, often chaotic modern lives. When you establish control over your first waking hours, it resonates throughout your entire day, giving you increased control over your life and outcomes. The patterns that define the mornings of accomplished individuals are as varied as their personalities, but a common thread is their unyielding dedication to starting their day with intent. Let's consider a few examples. Apple's late co-founder Steve Jobs began each morning with a poignant question: "If today were the last day of my life, would I want to do what I am about to do today?" This philosophical inquiry set the stage for purpose-driven work. Conversely, Oprah Winfrey starts her day with meditation, asserting that this spiritual practice offers her a foundation of serenity and focus which permeates her otherwise hectic life. Coupled with these narratives are scientific supports such as those found in psychology and neurology, illustrating how such morning routines positively alter brain function, enhance decision-making capabilities, and reinforce willpower. Additionally, the routine doesn't need to be rigid or heavily packed. Its power lies in consistency and intentionality, not merely in the number of tasks completed. From these observations and personal recountings, we can see how a dedicated morning ritual isn't just about achieving productivity, it's about crafting a life by design. These individuals don't just react to the world. They actively design their day to support their long-term visions and goals. Through the discourse of morning routines and the psychological mechanisms that underlie them, it is evident that the first actions of our day are more than mere habits. They have the profundity to sculpt our personal and professional lives. Emulating the ritualistic morning behaviors of the highly successful isn't about copying actions, but understanding the spirit behind them: purpose, intentionality, and resilience. So, as you consider the morning rituals that might lead you to personal and professional success, remember, every day provides a new opportunity to forge your destiny. Wake up and conquer.